Dana is a new college counselor. 0 followers, no Instagram, no email list, but she turned what she knows into a simple $29 roadmap for stressed out parents, and she made $1,200 in her first month. How? Well, she messaged a few people she already knew. That got her her first 10 buyers, and then she grew it from there. You can copy exactly what she did this week, and I'm also handing you the 3 AI prompts to help you implement it right away. I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree. We help you sell digital products with no website and no tech headaches. Our AI also helps you find your product, build it, and write your sales page. You are never alone doing this. If you've got a product but no buyers, this video is for you. Because here's the truth. Nobody says out loud, you don't need traffic, you need people. And let me be real with you, finding buyers is the hardest part of this whole thing. Not making the product, because AI now makes that easy. It's getting it in front of the right people. This is where most people quit. They post once, they hear crickets, and they give up. But it works. It just takes a strategy and some grit, and I'm giving you both. Forget going viral, forget posting every day. We start with the people who already trust you, and then we move out one ring at a time, your warmest audience to your coldest, in 3 steps. And I'm giving you 3 prompts, so let's go. Okay, if you have no product yet, MiloTree's AI Product Finder builds one in 60 seconds for free. I showed you in my last video how to do this, and the link is in the description. Now, if you've got a product, stay with me. Step 1, the warmest traffic there is. People who already know you. But don't spam your friends to buy. Do it smart. 2 moves. The first one, don't ask your friends to buy, ask who they know. So for Dana, that turned into like, hey, know any parents with kids applying to college who are stressed out? That's a warm intro to a real buyer. And 2, give it away for free to 3 or 4 people for honest feedback and maybe even a testimonial. And if you get that, now you've got proof and you've got 0 ick. And that's how Dana started. No audience, just her contacts, a few messages, a few intros, and her first sales. The hard part though is what to say. So let AI write it. So here is the first prompt, and you can grab these in the description below. You're a friendly copywriter. I sell, add your product that helps, add your audience with this transformation. 3 short messages I can send to people I know, each under 60 words, sounding like a real person, no hype. A warm, no pressure text asking a friend if they know anyone struggling with your problem so I can offer to help. 2, a message offering my product free to a friend of a friend in exchange for honest feedback and maybe a testimonial. And 3, a thank you that asks a happy user for a short testimonial and a referral. Paste it into ChatGPT or Claude, add your product, and send 3 of these outreach messages today. Now, step 2. Again, this is 1 ring out from people who know you to strangers who share the problem you solve. The best place to do this, Facebook groups. Whatever your niche, there are groups packed with your buyers. Now, there's 1 rule or you'll get banned. Do not drop a link and run. You got to show up, answer questions, be useful. So when someone asks the question your product answers, help for free, then mention, if you can, that you've got a resource. 1 good post can send 50 people to your page. And so prompt 2 finds the groups and writes the post. So here we go. You are a community marketing expert. I sell this product for this audience. Be helpful, never salesy. 1, list 10 search terms to find active Facebook groups where my audience hangs out. 2, write 3 genuinely helpful value posts that answer a common question my product solves, each ending with a soft mention of my free resource, only where group rules allow links. And 3, give me a reusable reply template. I'll paste in a real post from a group, and you write a helpful, non-salesy reply that answers their question and naturally hints at what I do. You can't pre-write replies to posts that don't exist yet. So when you find one you can help people with, paste it in, and AI writes a reply for that exact person. Useful, never salesy. All right, step 3, the one almost nobody uses. Don't build an audience, borrow one. So you're gonna find 3 to 5 creators who sell to your audience but aren't direct competitors, and ask them if they want to do a bundle. Everyone adds a product, you sell it as one, and everyone promotes it. Then you get instant access to hundreds of new buyers and your first email list, because when people buy, you all get access to that email list, and you could set this up in a weekend. And this is how Dana went from 10 buyers to a few hundred. Her roadmap plus 5 college prep creators in one weekend, and she used a prompt like this. You are a partnership strategist. I sell add your product for this audience. Describe 4 types of creators whose audiences overlap with mine, but who aren't competitors for a bundle or cross promotion. 2, write a warm outreach message under 100 words proposing a joint bundle. We each contribute a product, bundle them at one price, and all of us promote them to our list. Make it easy to say yes. And 3, write the promo email I'd send to announce the bundle. So to recap, these are 3 ways in. First, people who trust you. Second, communities. And third, a borrowed audience. No ads, no algorithm, the human piece. Before I show you where this all goes, here's what matters more than any prompt. Look at all 3. What ties them together? They're human. A warm intro, a helpful answer, a real partnership. So getting a business off the ground is what I like to call person to person. The prompts make it faster. They kill the blank page, but they don't replace you. People buy because you showed up with real knowledge, real empathy, and actually helped them. So AI can't automate that. That is your edge. Now, where does everyone go to buy your product? Your sales page. And this is where MiloTree makes it simple. Here I am in my MiloTree dashboard. Here are my products. I'm going to choose this product and watch this. I click View Sales Page. The AI already wrote this page. I get one link. It lives right here. That's what you drop into your messages, your groups, your bundle. They click, they buy. MiloTree delivers your digital download directly to your audience, and it pays you. You never touch it. Now, the part that turns buyers into real money, I add an order bump at checkout with one tick of a box. So this is an upsell. So for Dana, she added a $17 scholarship tracker. So her $29 buyer became a $46 buyer in one click with no extra traffic. That is the start of a real business. And it's what the MiloTree Grow Plan unlocks. And in a bigger picture, that $29 product is actually an audition, because every parent who loves it is a future coaching client. When Dana's ready, she sells one-on-one coaching for hundreds of dollars, and she can do it all in MiloTree. So they purchase her product, and then as an upsell, she's selling her coaching. And MiloTree makes this simple. One product leads to multiple products without having to find new customers. So here's what to do right now. 1, grab the freebie, the 3 AI prompts to get your first 100 buyers. The link is below. Step 2, send 3 messages today to your friends, not next week. Do it today. You could have a sale by the weekend. And if you want the order bumps and upsells and auto delivery that turn buyers into income, that's MiloTree's Grow Plan. $25 a month, billed annually. So start free, no credit card. The link is below. And you don't need traffic. You don't need to go viral. You need a handful of the right people. Now you've got the prompts to reach them. And stay for my next video. I'm going to show you how to set up a freebie that turns a stranger into a buyer. Plus, I'm giving you the AI prompt that writes the whole thing in 10 minutes. I'll see you there.